Hey guys, Jared Garcia, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Thanks for tuning in. Come visit us at iSpeakRealty.com. Today we have a special guest, Melvin Vallejos with CMG Financial. Thanks so much for being here. We appreciate you coming.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. We are going to be talking about renovation loans today and what they consist of, a little information just in case you guys are all looking for a home that needs some renovation. So Melvin, I definitely have some questions for you on the renovation loan, as you know, and we want to share that with our audience. So tell us a little bit about renovation loans and what types of renovation loans are available.
Well, first of all, there's a lot of homes on the market now. People don't seem to take care of them like they used to.
We see a lot of that.
So
now.
You see a lot of it, so people are passing on these homes. But also to think about is, real estate over the years has been one of the best investments out there.
Correct, yeah.
So you gotta have to have some kind of vision to be able to buy right and maybe build your dream.
Right.
The renovation loan is perfect because sometimes when somebody doesn't take care of their home, they're not gonna get top dollar for that home.
Correct.
So you can take that home and remodel it.
Right.
And you're doing two loans within one. So you're doing the purchase loan, then you're doing all the bids with the contractor to see where you want that home to be, to be able to renovate it, and then renovate it.
Single family homes only, or
you can do, well, there's two different types of programs for renovation loans. There's the 203K FHA, which is always just single family homes.
Right.
Those are insured by FHA.
Right.
But then we also have the conventional loans, which is Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and those are called home-style renovation loans.
Home-style?
And with those, you can actually do investment properties with it.
Nice.
Now, both of them will do 1 to 4 unit properties as long as you live in it as an owner-occupied.
So you occupy one of the 4 or 6 or what is just the 4, or can you do more
up
than
to 4
up
on
to
a
4?
conventional or FHA loan. Actually, FHA also.
Okay. How are the homes appraised? So I buy the house, we're getting ready to do an appraisal, and there's needs to be some work done, but it's probably not going to appraise for the rehab, I would assume, value, but they're going to take that into consideration, right?
Well, actually what you're going to do is get a contractor involved right away.
Okay.
They're going to give you a bid of what it's going to cost to repair that home.
Okay, right.
And it has to be a very detailed bid, like, I'm going to take the bathroom apart, but I'm also going to remodel with a certain kind of tub or tile or
they need
faucets.
To know the fixtures, really.
Yeah, we want to take care of the consumer. We want to make sure that whatever the builder tells them, that's what they're going to really get. Okay. So you get that bid together, then we send that over to an appraiser. Okay. And he gives us 2 bids, two appraisals basically in one, and it costs the same price. So you have the cost as is, the way the house is now, and the cost as completed.
So guys, just to recap real quick, it's the renovation loans. These are for homes that you're looking at rehabilitating. Whether you're doing a new roof, I would say, kitchen, bathroom, carpet, tile. Some of these homes may be bank homes, and can we do HUD homes on that?
It could be HUD homes, it could be bank owned, it could be
just really whatever, right? It just as long as it needs rehabilitation. And like you were saying, we see a lot of homes. We are in and out of homes constantly, and a lot of these homes, they need new roofs, they need new windows, they need, well, some of them need cabinets, and fixtures are bursting. Northeast Heights, we're seeing a little more. They're getting older, and as homes are aging, as they go up, that's all they're going to do is age a little bit more and more.
It could need new plumbing. Right. New bathtubs, new fixtures, anything.
So, down payment. What are we looking at down payment in terms of these types of products? The FHA, the conventional. What type of down payment are they going to be looking for?
FHA is 3.5% of the total completed as-is
project
value.
Okay.
So you take the cost of the purchase price of the home, you add all the renovation costs. Okay. They do ask you to put in a contingency amount of like 10% of the total value of the repairs, because we always go to the store and we want something better than what we think. So that's included. If for some reason the house is uninhabitable during construction, we can even finance 6 months of payments into that. Okay. And then it's 3.5% down of the total amount.
And that's FHA.
On FHA.
Okay. What about conventional?
Conventional is 5% down.
5% down conventional. So within the work that's being done, how is the funds being dispersed? So $20,000 project. it needs a roof, it needs some tile and that type of stuff. We're getting ready, we got it appraised, you know, we're getting to the process now. How does that money get dispersed out to that contractor and make sure that they get paid?
First of all, as soon as you close on the home, we pay off the home.
Okay.
Okay. Then the money for repairs goes into an escrow account.
Okay.
And the builder can have up to 6 draws. So it depends how involved you are and how long the project is going to take. Okay. If he's going to do it within 30 days, you probably don't need 6 draws. You can get one draw and probably
depends on the project, right? Depends on the scale, whether it needs a whole renovation or if you just need pieces. Can you add on to a home, mother-in-law quarters, that type of stuff?
On the FHA program, there's 2 different types of programs. You have the Streamline that's up to $35,000. With that, you can't do an addition. Above $35,000, you can do an addition. You just have to have an FHA consultant, and you can do that.
You're the guy to talk to, right? You've done these programs before. Have you done any types of out-of-the-box programs or homes? I know the program's out of the box, but what about the types of homes? Have you done anything?
We just did a fantastic deal or transaction in Las Lunas.
Okay.
There was a church.
Wow.
The church was selling their
the
church building.
And the
you know, it's one of those that
right.
actually was built in the style of a home.
Okay.
It was 2,600 square foot.
Oh, wow.
It had a portico on it on 3 acres of land.
Right.
But it was zoned residential, and they couldn't figure out how to sell it.
Okay.
So they were able to, I said, let's put it together as a renovation loan. People bought it. They're doing all kinds of repairs on it. All of a sudden, we could put the transaction together, and these people are going to get a 27 square foot house on 3 acres of land that's probably going to be worth twice once it's completed.
Once it's completed.
And we're in the process of doing that one right now.
That's great. Now, we talk about work being done. You know, we get contractors, we have to shop contractors. Do you need more than one bid, or just do you need one bid?
We would like you to get more than one, but if you're happy with one, we'll go with one.
The last transaction we did, we got a couple bids because you really never know. You want to get some opinions on materials, that type of stuff. So that was really good. So what about work being done by the homeowner? Can they actually do the work, or do they have to hire somebody who's licensed?
Actually, we won't allow a homeowner to do their own work. We want a contractor.
Yeah, licensed, I would assume.
We require a license, we require their liability insurance, and one thing we want everybody to know as well, that we do vet the contractors. So when you get your contractors, we do want to find out, we want to get referrals.
Right.
Our company actually calls the referrals and decides, hey, we want to work with this guy, or no, we don't want to work with this guy. Right. Or gal, whoever, you know, now contractors are gals as well.
Absolutely.
But we do try to vet, and we do everything we can to try to protect the consumer.
So while it's being fixed, can it be habitable? Can people live in the house, or does it have to be? Because some of them, you know, they may need a whole new roof. That takes time, and there's dust and this, and I bet you there's quite a bit of things. Can people habitate them, or do they have to wait for the work to be done?
It's all up to them.
Okay.
You know, if they want to move in and the work can be done around them while they're working there.
Right.
They definitely can.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate you coming by. Guys, if you're looking for information on renovation loans, we're definitely here to help you out. Melvin's with CMG Financial. He has the renovation program. It's 203K, conventional program. We'd love to sit down with you, give you some more ideas. You know, there's a lot of properties that they do need to be fixed up, and we'd love to help you out. Again, thanks so much, Melvin. Appreciate you coming by.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Come tune in, check out our website, iSpeakRealty.com, give us a like, or subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a great day, guys. Bye.